Of course, I didn't do a video at the beginning of this, but this is something I've never tried. I don't know what it is, but I mean, I know what this is, but being in New Mexico, well, I guess last summer and this summer, there's several Mexican dishes that I knew nothing about, and this is one of them. We had it in a restaurant the other day called Carne. What is it called? Adovada. I made the marinade. I marinated it for a couple of hours in the sauce. Made the sauce from some chili pods, dehydrated chili pods, and chipotle pepper and in adobo sauce, and Mexican oregano, garlic powder, onion powder. So didn't really follow a recipe. Put it in the crock pot for several hours, and I'm fixing to have some of this with some Spanish rice. I'm cooking it right now. This is not homemade Spanish rice. It's one of those Nor packets or something like that. And some flour tortillas. So I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of it in here. Fix me a plate, put it in here, and go ahead and get my crock pot washed and put up. I'm in the middle of doing dishes right now. So anyway, I've already tasted it. I think I got a little bit too much oregano. That stuff goes a long ways, but it's good. I'm going to cut up some onions and serve with this too. So it looks good. It's very tender. I have tasted it, and I think I might be cooking this again pretty soon.